Welcome to week 5 of online learning. For this week, you will be using the workbook for all of your problems for this week, except your quiz on Friday. Let's go ahead and look at your weekly assignments. So today, you should watch the lesson video that is on slide 4, then review the key terms that are on slide 5, and finally answer the practice questions on slides 6 and 7. Tuesday, you should watch the lesson video on slide 8, then answer the independent practice questions on slides 9, 10, and 11. Wednesday, answer the independent practice questions on slides 12 and 13, then complete 15 minutes on iReady. On Thursday, answer the independent questions on slides 15, 16, and 17, and then 15 minutes on iReady again. Finally, on Friday, you should complete your weekly quiz by filling out the Google form that is linked on slide 19. And when you are finished at the end of the week, make sure that everything is submitted and turn in your assignment on Google Classroom. Here is an optional resource slide. If you need any additional help with this week's assessments, you can go ahead and click on all of the information here. On slide 4, you will see the lesson video for today. You can click on it and then you can maximize the screen to get a full view of the video. Then you have your key term slide. You can review the mean, median, mode, and range if you need to. Remember, the mean is the average number of a set of data. It's found by adding up all the points and dividing by the total number of data points. The median is the middle number in a set of data. You must make sure the numbers are put in order from least to greatest in order to find the middle number. The mode is the most common number of a set of data points. So you put the numbers in order from least to greatest again. Then find the data point that is shown the greatest number of times. And finally, the range is how far your data is spread apart. This is found by subtracting the smallest data point from the largest data point. On Monday, you are answering questions 1, 2, and 3. If you'd like to listen to the questions, there will be an audio bubble here for you to click on. Again, questions 7 and 8 are here. Here you're going to move the pink circles to the correct answers. Tuesday's lesson is linked here. Remember to maximize the screen so that you can get a full view of the lesson. Then you are answering Tuesday's independent practice questions on slide 9, 10, and 11. Again, there will be audio bubbles for you here to listen to the slides if you wish. Wednesday, you are answering the question on this slide by filling in the data chart. Then you're going to use that information to make a graph on slide 13. Here is where it reminds you to complete 15 minutes on iReady. For Thursday, you're going to look at the number 58 and you're going to drag it until you see this should be 52, 54, 56, 58. So I'm going to drag it above 58 and then I will continue on with the next number. I will do that until all of my dots are used and all of my numbers are filled in on my graph. Then make sure that you title your graph as well. On the next slide, you're going to use that same information to fill out the number of days for each. So from 0 to 9, you're going to count up all the numbers that are from 0 to 9, which I don't see any, so you should be putting 0 there. Then move on to the numbers 10 through 19. I only see 2 here, so you would write 2. Then you are going to use the information from this slide, again, to create a graph by simply dragging it up to the number. You also are going to need to fill in the intervals here. On Thursday, you are going to complete the iReady 15 minutes again. And finally, on Friday, you can click here to go to your quiz, and you may listen to the graded check-in be read to you if you'd like here. Good luck. Make sure you turn everything in when you're finished at the end of the week.